question ko, sir, is ano ang reaction mga nagdaog Iloilo sa Miss Universe?
Okay.
Siyempre happy kay represent Iloilo.
Shall I say, I'm not surprised.
As an Ilonggo, syempre, it is something to be proud of man.
was very, very proud. So, although pala nga doon, ang eyes are na siya, ito yung mas maging anak, so nagdaw siya very proud.
My first sentence was towards my best friend, who is Ninyo. The reaction was, I told you so.
Reaction ko sa Miss Universe. Well, first, wala ko kalantaw. Pero, may reaction ko kay based lang sa nakita ko sa internet, sa social media.
And proud na kay basta Longga, Guapa.
The last time, I think, nagdaog sa isa ka dako nga pageant, ang isa ka fellow Ilonggo or Ilonggo is during the time pa ni Pura Villanueva.
So I was betting on her, although, I haven't been subscribing to any. But upon the entry of Iloilo through Miss Rabaya, I just said to him na she will definitely win.
Pleasantly surprised gid ko. Doon nakibot man ko, but at the same time, though hindi ko man matula sa isip ko, doon ako man na posibilidad yung magdaogin man.
So, it took a decade, I think, na nagdaog liwat ang isa ka Ilonggo sa isa ka dako nga pageant.
Kaya, although pala nangyari, previously, na doon mga nagdala ko, pero siguro na siguro hindi na siya yung level, yes.
I do have many friends na connected with her and was very supportive. And at the same time, I've been watching their cheers and I've been looking at her profile, photos, her activities online.
At first, ang impact din sa ako na ba ko ang tsansa sa kay wala labot nga guwapa gid siya sa pananaw ko. May feeling ako nga may tsansa sa.
Siyempre, first, proud mo ko kahit pa paano. Kaya nakita ko nga taga Iloilo, nagdaog, especially taga Nasagre, taga Norte, taga Balasan. And then knowing mo na nag-college sa doctors, medyo proud ka man.
I believe she deserves what she has. She has achieved as a Miss Universe.
Based man sa nakita ko, ng video sa mga Q&A and stuff, na well-deserved man ng iyang victory. Go Rabia!
Bashers,
I think it's quite normal naman yung mga bashers.
Sila man ang healthy mo may istoryahan ka. Kaya kung wala basher, wala ka.
Ipashers pa gid man na, siya, tamo ken.
They are there actually to make a contrast, just like what would be the best backdrop for your light to shine is darkness. And bashers are the best portrayal of darkness in these times.
I'm also involved with some pageants di sa Iloilo. So normal lang ginang mga basher ka. Pambal sila nga luto, like amo na ang judges kinbayran.
Baskin sino man ang guro madaog, miyara kina bashers. So, based naman sa kita ko sa pag-handle ni Rabia, man niya pag-handle, nga wala lang sa focus na sa siya nga victory.
Parang double blade. It can hurt you or it can do good for you.
Well, Philippines is a wide country and they have their own bets. They have their own candidates. So, they wanted these girls to win and represent their cities.
may dinaserve na purpose ang bashers man. Kung wala bashers, hindi ka man mag-trending. Kaya mo na mas nag-trending pag siya aside for her win, itungod sa mga bashers.
Kung may dapat na gid man ihambal ni si Sandra Limono, dapat nahambalin na, no? For me, especially in this generation na, kubra lang sa guro kahod.
Even though na she'll do her best, people will say something bad about her. And it's not her. Maybe it's the people. Because people are people.